Today we're unboxing our new power supply. Hey there, this is Tom Tech Show, and a little bit ago I went through setting up, redoing my computer. I painted the case and everything so that it's, nice Buzz Lightyear kind of green color and all that. So the power supply is actually one that's in there is actually one that I got out of a different computer that had the hard drive had failed on it, that people didn't want anymore. So cables are old, it's not, nothing good. So now we've got this big ginormous modular hunk of thing. So, and we're going to unbox it. I do have to at some point put it into the computer, but we're just going to unbox and see how this thing comes out. This packaging, we still got the plastic on it, so we'll just go right along here. Pull some plastic off. Okay. Here we go. Plastic coming off. Now the box actually looks, get the reflectiveness off of it. Over here. Okay. Plastic. Here we go. Now, I think the power supply that's in there is out of some kind of really old, I think it was gateway system that was, it's probably like a 300 watt power supply. So the upgrade to 750 should be pretty good. Okay, so it actually opens on this end here. And then we're going to slide this open. And we get this presented with, of course, your manual here first. So probably, obviously, many languages in here. So it's pretty thick. That's why I think it's many languages. There's some important information. And I'm not going to be able to read that without glasses. Who knows how important the information is. But we will look at what's in here. This important information is English, just the, you can shock yourself. You're playing with electricity, so probably don't plug it in and pour water on it. It's not water safe. Okay, so we've got the big regular power cord here, which I probably won't be using. I'll probably be using, like I showed in my other video, I have a little shorter actual to length power cord. So we'll set that out here. Okay, now we've got a bag here. We've got some silica gel, keep things nice. We've got some, looks like some zip ties and a small Corsair name badge, which I actually have a spot in the front of the computer, and I can actually put the Corsair name badge on there. I don't know if I need to, but anyway, that is an option. So here, this is this bag, big Velcro sealed bag. I think this is all of the connecting cables here. So, oh my goodness, let's look at all these. Here we've got, this looks like a standard cables for like old style, hard drives, old style disk drives and everything from way back when. We won't be using those. This looks like the SATA power connector here. That's one that we're definitely going to use. This one has 3 connectors on it. That is good. Here is another SATA power cable, another 3 connectors of SATA power. We will be using that one, and still get another SATA power cable. We probably won't need that. I don't have that many hard drives. Okay, now we've got another classic style power cable. Okay, and then we've got this, looks like a big ATX cable or some accessories in there. Then we've got the, this is the big monster motherboard cable that goes from the box to the motherboard, obviously. That's there. Now we've got some other smaller accessory cables that do some other things. We've also got more accessory cables, just tons. I mean, for video and everything else. Also small, another accessory cable. And here we've got one of these that goes to the old classic style 4-pin to this small like floppy drive 4-pin, which yeah, I've not used. How long has it been since I actually had and needed to do something floppy drive? I don't know. It has been a long time and long road. Okay. So now underneath here, this foam here, nice foam square, we have in plastic is our power supply. Okay, we're just gonna take this out and we're gonna move the box out of the way. Okay, so now we have our modular power supply sitting here. Put the book and stuff over there. So this side, this end, of course, is going to be the external side where we've got our power switch, our power input there, and we've got, get this the right way, we've got peripherals and SATA, 24-pin ATX, peripherals and SATA, 6+2 PCIe, and 4+4 CPU connectors that all go there. So this all should, I'm probably just going to use a couple of the SATA. I'll need the 24-pin ATX and stuff to go in this motherboard. But that's the box. It's got a nice, lettering on the side. Nice lettering on that side. One side is upside down from the other. So if we put it this way and turn it this way, it's still the same lettering. So I guess if you're putting this into your case, you would want it to go the right way so it sticks out the side and you can see the lettering correctly. This one, it also says RM 750X there. Then here on the bottom, we've got a lot of the details about it. It's very small, extremely small writing. Oh my gosh. So, got a part number, AC input, DC output, max load, max combined wattage. More details about the power supply. The serial number, pass QC is a good thing. So, there we go. Big fan too. I like that it's a big fan because the big fans, when they're in there, and it seems to spin very nice and smoothly and easily. Just with me spinning it around makes it work. So that means it's going to be quiet. I mean, right now I cannot hear the computer at all right now, and it's on because I'm recording. So there we go. So all right, we got the power supply, we've got the main power cord, and we've got the big bundle of cables. So all right, well, we've got this thing here, and next video, of course, is going to be installing it into the computer. But the hard part about that is that the computer that I'm using to record this is the computer that this is going to go in. So I've got to hook my, good thing I've got a MacBook Pro sitting beside me. But anyway, that's the RM 750X purchased off of Amazon. So I'll put a link to it below. And if you need to order one, need a power supply, this one seems to work well. We'll see if it works well once I get it all installed. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care.